Okay. So, condition related to the improper functioning of the heart. In the last class we have completed lymphatic system, yes? And only this topic is left in your book, condition related to the improper of the heart. So first one is the palpitation. So palpitation first is so palpitation. What is palpitation? Yes. Yes, what is palpitation? One at a time. Yes, Munazza.
It's very fast movement. It goes into stress, anxiety, depression. Sometimes it's fast movement.
Very good. So means like when the heart muscles are they are not working properly, when their coordination disturbed, so the heartbeat disturbed, and sometimes it is very much. So this is called palpitation, and this is maybe because of stress. This is because of the
Stress, anxiety, depression.
due to. So it's because of the stress, because of alcohol, or what you can say improper what you can say eating habit also, you can say yes, improper lifestyle also.
People who smoke a lot,
And another is cardiac arrest. Cardiac arrest, yes, it's not like heart stop working. Suddenly stop work. Why? Because of the lack of oxygen. The brain not gets the oxygen at a sudden. Your all body cells need oxygen. Dua. All cell, they need oxygen for the respiration. Without that, the cell will die. Every cell of the body. So there should not be any sort of confusion. Every cell need oxygen for the respiration, and respiration is very important for the continuous supply of energy. And without energy, body cannot work. So brain also living cell. It also need oxygen and energy for doing the work, and it control whole body. So of course, when its working will be affected, the whole body working will be affected. So the brain is then starved at oxygen, and the person collapses because of when the brain stop working. Suddenly, what happened to all the function of the heart stop working, and the all organ of the body stop working. And this heart can stop beating due to several reasons that are associated with damage in the coronary arteries. Coronary arteries, those are supplying blood to the heart. So because heart 24/7 heart is having the blood, but that blood cannot be utilized by the heart. For supplying the blood to the heart, there are the specific arteries. They are called coronary arteries. Understood? And other than this damage in the coronary artery, some other reasons are also there, like high blood pressure, and there may be the obesity, and the life means improper lifestyle of the body, means of the person.
Can lead to this.
Yes, continuous. Sometimes it's okay, but continuous someone is just based on the junk food, packet things. So yes, there should be, the healthy lifestyle, healthy eating habit should be there. What are you doing, Hafira? Then hypertension.
Comes in junk food. Right. Eating regularly.
Actually, it's made by the yeast, and the things which are formed by using the yeast, they are not very healthy. So sometimes it's okay, but regularly you come on the one type of food, that's not. So why you always come on that only? Everyone is eating, it's okay, but not continuously all three times in a day. It should not be. It's not as healthy as the chapati. Okay. Otherwise, also all the means like where the things are formed by the fermentation, or what you can say this baking by using the yeast and all, they are not that healthy. Now hypertension. High. So what is blood pressure first? So hypertension when we'll discuss later. Yes.
Blood pressure.
No, blood pressure. Yes. First I am asking blood.
Blood pressure, the pressure that vessels that is exerted by the blood by the vessels that the blood will go up. So high blood pressure means high pressure is getting exerted.
Blood pressure means when it flow in the artery, means when the heart pump the blood in the artery. So at that time there is some pressure on the wall. Yes, something is pumped by the heart. There is a pressure on the wall. That pressure is called blood pressure.
So when the blood pressure increases, it is called as hypertension. And when the blood pressure decreases, it is called as hypertension.
Hypotension. Yes. So when the blood flow with the force in the arteries, it pushes, means it pushes the wall of the arteries, or you can say it put the pressure on the wall of arteries. That is called blood pressure.
So ma'am, when a person dies due to high blood pressure, so means the pressure increases in the
Narrow passage will be there, passage reduced,
then why does the
pressure will be increased.
So ma'am, the person
So the high blood pressure is
why does the person
because of the deposition of the plaque inner to the arteries, cholesterol or other substances, they just deposited, so the passage become narrow, and when they flow in the narrow passage, so more pressure would be there. Some other reason can be. So there are, means like the two what you can say values of the pressure on the wall. when heart pushes the blood in the arteries, at that time there will be more pressure, and when it's just filling time is also there, so at that time the pressure reduces. So there are two type of measures. The one at the highest level, systolic pressure, and when the ventricle contract to pump fresh blood to the arteries from the ventricle to the arteries. And the second one at the lowest level, diastolic pressure, when the heart relaxes and the pressure fall between the two heartbeat. So when it relaxes, it is allowed to fill the blood in it, means filling time of the heart. When the blood fill in the heart, at that time it is relaxes. So pressure reduces. When it fill and it contracted, the ventricle contracts and pushes the blood to the body part, there the pressure increase. That is called systolic pressure. So the normal blood pressure for an adult, means for a healthy person, normal blood pressure is 120 systolic, and diastolic is 80. Just now, when the ventricle contract and they push the blood to the artery, it's systolic, and when the blood is filling in the auricles. When relaxation means the relaxation time of the heart, that is systolic. A persistent rise in blood pressure above means what 120/80 is there. If it is increased, then it comes under the category of high blood pressure, hypertension or high blood pressure. And there can be many reasons. The most important means the main reason is what you can say, the lifestyle, improper lifestyle, that affects a lot. When you take what you can say healthy diet, and when you just follow the rule of means waking and sleeping, correct time you sleep and correct time you wake up, 5 times you offer salah, that will means like help you a lot to be healthy.
Heart disease? Hypertension can lead to heart disease.
Yes.
The blood pressure will increase.
Yes, hypertension is heart disease, because where the pressure means why because of the means like it's in a circulatory system only. The blood pumped by the heart, and that comes into the blood vessels.
Cardiac arrest, palpitations, all different.
They all are, yes. Now blood group. In 6th class I think I taught. Yes, antibodies and antigen I taught. I don't know you remember or not. Okay. Yes, do you have some idea of antigens? Then yes, it's present in how many types of it? They are of 2 types. So the antigens are what? They are the protein present in on the surface of the red blood cell or present on the RBC. We'll move on inshallah. Okay, now what are antibodies? Okay, Nabiha. Say again. Yes, yes. Antibodies are released by the antigens. Antigens are the protein present on the RBC. Got it? Like RBC here, antigens are RBC. They are antigen. They release antibodies, chemical.
And then these antibodies fight with the foreign.
They yes.
How can antigens and antibodies they decide the blood?
Because they are of 2 types. So some are having only A type. So blood group A. Some are having only means like B type. So they are having AB. And some are having means both means AB, and some are what? O negative. Okay, that also I will tell you. What? That I will tell you. Yes.
Antigen is A and B.
A and B.
Antigen A type will produce antibody B type. And antigen B.
A antigen produce antibody B, and B antigen produce antibody A. Just to keep the name different, you can say. Yes? Because of the RH factor.
Yes, ma'am. That only I want to know.
Because of the RH factor. This means like if A and B is there, some are having A, some are having B, some are having AB. Along with this, RH factor is also there. If this This is first time what you can say discovered in the rhesus monkey. That's why it is Rh factor. So if it is present, then if Rh factor is present in somebody's body, then it is positive. AB means suppose A is there along with Rh factor is also there, so A positive. This positive shows that Rh factor is there. If Rh factor is not there in the blood, then it's A negative. So negative and positive shows the presence and absence of the Rh factor in the blood.
So there is no effect of
Yes, if like suppose someone is having A and B both the antigens and along with Rh, then AB positive, and if it is not there, then AB negative. Both antigens are not there. I tell you.
So there in O no antibody.
No antigens are there.
How is antibody produced?
And other cells are also there in the body, they produce, and then yes, in O negative, O here also if Rh factor is there, like A and B both antigens are not there, then it is O, and if Rh is there, then O positive. If Rh is not there, then O negative. No, it's not.
And
Okay.
then also there is a one blood group.
Just like if someone is having A or B, it not affect the what you can say functioning of the body. It's not affect the functioning of the body. If someone is having the blood group A or someone is having blood group B, they have the normal all the organ and the working is the same only. It's not affect. It's just a type, different type you can find in the means like human body. That's the different type. Original, that is only, it's not there though. Original.
Ma'am, RH null is a type of blood group that
So-
is very rare. In 4 or 5 in this world.
I will tell you later. Fine. So here for blood group we have to understand antigen and antibodies. So antigens, they are the protein which are present, and antibodies, they are the what you can say chemical or the substances which are released by it and comes in the blood, and they provide immunity to the body. And on the combination of this antigen only, they are the different type of blood groups. Here A, B. And if two different type of antigens means that two different blood groups are, like suppose A and B, if they intermix, so clotting will be there. Like someone is having A blood group and the B, the person who is having the blood group B donate to the person, then the clotting will be there, and the person it can lead to severe thing, means like it can die also. So that's why before means like what you can say, before this donating you can say now these days, so like they are taking the blood and they just exchange from the blood bank only. So before, yes,
They are asking that why person died. So basically those two blood getting mixed together.
yeah, the clotting will be there.
Ma'am, because there are different types.
It clogs the blood vessels.
Ma'am, because there are different types of antigens. That's
Yes, because of it. So that's why there should be same blood group for the blood donation, or the what you can say receiver should be having the same blood group. Then only one should have to what you can say supply or the give to the person. So A blood group, how many blood groups are there? A, B, AB and O. Here antigen A and antibody B. I will write here antigen and antibody. So here antigen A and antigen B. Here antigen B and antigen A. And then here antigen A, B, and here antigen A, B. None. Yes. Yes, none. Then here none. Now this person can donate to the A only. A person can donate to A and B to B and AB. AB can get, means like it can donate to AB, but then it can receive means like donate receive. So here it can donate to AB only, but it can receive from AB. Yes. Means like AB blood group can receive from all blood groups.
Can only receive from O.
And O can donate to all. O can donate to all. That's why universal donor, universal receiver. Yes. O can take from the O only. If like it can give to all, but it can get from the O only. If O positive, then from O positive only. O negative, then from O negative. Because of the RH factor. RH factor is there. If other antigens are not there, RH factors are there, then it means it is O positive. O negative when RH factor is not there.
So,
I will tell you. Let me finish it. Then.
positive and
So I will finish this. Then I will tell you.
both positive and negative is not universal donor.
No, this one we say generally O and B. And of course, go back to your seat. I will call you. Yes. Yes. What are you saying? So right now our chapter is completed. Little points are left. We will discuss in the next class because time is over now. Yes.